This cordless vacuum cleaner is a fraction of the price of many popular brands. Rated 4.5 stars on Amazon, rave reviews say it's amazing, lightweight and easy to use. If it sounds too good to be true, that's because, well, it is. Even a flour on carpet spillage is too much to handle. Hold on, it's spitting the dirt straight back out onto the floor. And to top it off, there's not really a way to empty this without getting completely covered in the dirt you just cleaned up. This is one of the worst cordless vacs our experts have ever tested. So how has it managed to get such a good rating on Amazon? Well, this small card found inside the box could be the answer. Scratch the panel and your so-called prize is money back if you post a review. While the seller doesn't explicitly ask for positive feedback, Amazon clearly states any attempt to manipulate customer reviews is strictly prohibited. And yet, all the highly rated Amazon products with suspicious reviews we've tested failed to impress in our labs. So how can you spot a fake review from a real one? Follow these 5 expert tips to avoid being caught out.
If you're buying a brand you've never heard of before, make sure you're reading those reviews really thoroughly. You need to scrutinise them because that's where fake reviews are most likely to be cropping up. If a product has thousands and thousands of reviews, especially compared to other products in the same category, then I'd treat it with a degree of suspicion. Make sure you're reading those reviews, checking against other products, because that does tend to flag that some of those reviews could be fake. We know from the Facebook groups, which tempt people into writing fake reviews, they're often encouraged to leave photos of the product to make that review seem more believable. So if you see a product with lots of photos in the reviews, I'm afraid you have to treat that with a degree of skepticism. Often, when fake reviews are posted, there's a huge call out to people to leave as many as possible as quickly as possible. And that often means that those reviews will be left around the same time. That's often the calling card of fake reviews. No matter what you're buying, always look at the 1-star reviews and see if there are any commonalities there, because it is a good idea to make sure you're reading those to understand whether there is a problem with the product or not.
For thousands of impartial reviews based on facts, not fakes, visit which.co.uk.